In this video, I am going to show you how you can generate caption, which is auto caption, by using Final Cut Pro. Let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open Final Cut Pro and we need to import the video clips. I already added the video clips. Now I'm going to generate the captions from here. Just select the clip and then right click and it will bring this type of menu. From here, choose this option, transcribe to captions, and click here. Within few seconds, you will see captions will be generated automatically, and this is generated by Final Cut Pro. I'm not going to manually generate this thing. And now we can customize it. We can choose any caption and then we can go here on the right side and we can actually format it like bold. It will be like bold. Then basically I need to move the cursor over there to check the preview. Now see, here is bold. If we make it italic, it will be italic. See, italic. And if we want to make it underline, it is also underline. Then if you want to change the color, we can also change a color from here. For example, I want to change this orange like color or yellow color. If we want to modify some other color, we can click this color panel and a color window will be appeared. From here we can choose any color, whatever we want. I'm going to close it, and then there is some other options are there. And if we want to select multiple text, we can choose like this way, and then we can modify all together. Now there is another option. So if you want to select all like subtitle or like captions, then right click and then it will bring this menu. From here I'm going to choose duplicate caption and I'm going to choose other format. Suppose I'm going to choose this format, and now click here, and here see everything is changed. Now here there are lots of options. Like if we want to position this cursor, we can use this thing, this arrow button. So if we press the arrow, the captions will be actually positions in the top side, something like that. And left side, if we click here, it is going left side like that, or right side in this way, or down side like this way. We can actually change this thing. And also we can change the text color like red, green, then background color, and how much transparent it should be, like that. We can do that thing, and in this way we can actually generate the caption. So after the generation of caption, we can also import like export this thing. To do this thing, we just need to click this export menu, and from here I'm going to choose export file, and inside this thing, don't forget to click roll. I'm going to press roll, and then here we see that caption is there. Video track captions, we just need to click here, and once we click caption, then it will bring this menu. So this is fine. Then we have to choose from here to this option, as we are looking for that like animation or that style. So I'm going to click here, and then finally we need to press the OK button, and everything will be done like this way. Now finally we can actually name the file, and we can export this thing, and that's it. In this way we can easily generate auto caption using Final Cut Pro.